Are you tired of receiving constant security alerts on Twitter while using your PC? Follow these steps to turn them off. Start by clicking on your profile icon, then select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu that appears. On the right side of your screen, you'll find a panel displaying various Twitter settings. Look for the Email Notifications section within this panel. Within Email Notifications, you can customize the types of email notifications you receive for different activities. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to disable email notifications for logins. To address this, click on the Turn Off button located at the top of the section. After turning off email notifications for logins, remember to save your changes by clicking on the Save Changes button. To ensure the changes take effect, log out of your Twitter account and then log back in to see if the security alerts have been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can personalize your Twitter email notification settings to better suit your preferences and reduce unnecessary security alerts on your PC. Thank you for watching our guide on how to disable security alerts on Twitter for PC.